End-unit townhome for sale in Stafford County. Welcome home to this well-maintained end-unit townhome, offering space, style, and an unbeatable location. Featuring 3 bedrooms, 2.2 baths, this home is designed for comfortable living and effortless entertaining. Enjoy cooking in the modern kitchen with granite countertops, and step into a bright, open fireplace. Additional features: vaulted ceilings on upper level, 2-story foyer, wood floors and tiled bathrooms. The 1-car garage provides added convenience and storage, while the end-unit location offers extra privacy and natural light. Just minutes from shopping, dining, schools, VRE, I-95, commuter lot, close to Quantico and DC, this is the perfect location.